What's up, everybody? This is Bisaya in Japan. Today we will have an unboxing video of the Jordan 1 OG Heritage. So, if it's an OG, it's always kind of like this box, but the color is a little bit different now. This has a white and red collaboration, heritage. I like the white color, it's so clean looking. And at the back, okay, open it up. You have this white thin sheet to cover the shoes. Here it is, everybody. The OG Heritage. Red special leather here, and then white. I guess this is just the typical leather they use also in Air Force Ones. And the back. I got this from Nike sneakers when it was released maybe 4 months ago, so this video is a little bit late. So let's check what's the other pair. Okay. And extra shoelace. Got the white extra shoelace there, red extra shoelace, and it comes with the black shoelaces. So 3 pairs of shoelaces all in all. Alright. So this is it. The Jordan 1 Heritage. Bisaya in Japan.